This gameplay was a Nuketown gameplay, Demolition. I went 122 and 22. So, here you go.
Enemy patrol!
Nemesis 1-1 is wheeled up over your position, scanning for threats.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly UAV inbound. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Hostiles have destroyed your UAV. UAV on standby. Lightning strike on standby.
Dropped him. Reloading.
Our sensor has captured your target.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound.
3 confirmed.
Shot out.
Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly UAV inbound. Good job. Get ready for the next round.
That round, I had 39 kills and 11 deaths. The next round, I end up getting almost 80 kills. So, or this round, I guess. And then well, I wouldn't guess it was 80 kills.
Friendly care package inbound.
Maybe 40 or something. I'm not adding it up right now, but. And then the third round, I spawn trap pretty bad and get a lot of kills. So.
Friendly counter UAV inbound. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
And this is solo. I don't know any of the people in the lobby. I ended up getting a I had 2 Ruthlesses, 3 Mercenaries, whatever. I had a bunch of Fury kills because I was spawn trapping, so.
Hellstorm missile inbound.
Reload.
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
I camp here for a little bit.
UAV
I get
on
2 lightning
standby.
strikes right here.
Hunter-killer drone on standby.
And the gun I'm using
Friendly
the
hunter-killer drone
AN-94
deployed.
with
UAV
extended
inbound.
clip, silencer, and
Lightning
FMJ.
strike awaiting coordinates.
Wheeled up over your position, scanning for threats.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound.
Perks, no perks, because I'm trying to get a challenge done.
Shot out.
UAV awaiting orders. Be advised, hostile UAV
Kill streaks, it's a UAV, hunter killer, and
incoming. Friendly UAV
lightning strike.
inbound. Lightning strike awaiting coordinates.
Our sensor has captured your target.
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
3 confirmed.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound. Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound.
Sniper down.
on standby.
No, it wasn't 122 and 22. My friend just told me it was 122.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Lightning strike on standby.
Nemesis 1-1 is moving.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
Good strike. 2B KIA.
Shoot her down. Frag out. Got a kill.
Going 69 and 14 right now. 70 and 14.
UAV awaiting orders. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Hunter-killer drone deployed. UAV inbound.
Cover me. Reloading.
UAV on standby.
Kill confirmed.
Lightning strike on standby.
Establishing the overhead.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound.
2B KIA.
UAV inbound. It's too close.
The funny thing was is that I was playing against 2 6th prestigers, a 9th prestiger, a master prestige, and I think a 9th prestige. All high prestiges, and I was the only one prestiged on my team, so
Friendly UAV inbound. Bomb online.
Gun down. Stand by.
Friendly care package inbound.
Stitched him up.
Bomb deactivated. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. We lost that round.
that round clearly went 89 and 18. And, yeah.
Demolition. Protect the objectives.
Sticky out. Target spotted.
And the one of the kids that joined had a lag switch, and he killed me 3 times. And as you can see there, I lagged pretty bad, and everybody lagged when they went towards him.
Sticky out. Throw a grenade. Gun down. Cover. Frag out. Grenade. Reload.
Bomb is armed. UAV awaiting orders. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly UAV inbound.
Kill confirmed. Want to get paid? Move it.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly Hellstorm missile inbound.